Number 1. Have a cup of coffee, tea. It means to drink a cup of coffee or tea.
Let's have a cup of coffee together. Let's have a cup of coffee together. She likes to have a cup of tea nightly. She likes to have a cup of tea nightly. They had a cup of coffee while chatting. They had a cup of coffee while chatting.
Number 2. Have a sip of. It means to take a small mouthful of a drink.
Have a sip of this fresh orange juice. Have a sip of this fresh orange juice. He had a sip of water during the run. He had a sip of water during the run. She had a sip of the hot soup. She had a sip of the hot soup.
Number 3. Have a taste of. It means to try a small amount of food to see what it's like.
You should have a taste of this cake. You should have a taste of this cake. I had a taste of the sauce to check seasoning. I had a taste of the sauce to check seasoning. They had a taste of the local cuisine. They had a taste of the local cuisine.
Number 4. Have lunch, breakfast, dinner, or a snack. It means to eat a meal or a light amount of food.
I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock. I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock. They had a quick snack before the meeting. They had a quick snack before the meeting. She likes to have breakfast in the garden. She likes to have breakfast in the garden.
Number 5. Have a commitment to. It means to be dedicated or obligated to something.
He has a commitment to his family's business. He has a commitment to his family's business. We have a commitment to quality and service. We have a commitment to quality and service. She made a commitment to exercise daily. She made a commitment to exercise daily.